Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iGeekphone.com. Today we're going to see a new pair of earphones that were sent from me from Linksoul Techs and Whizzer. It's the new Kylin A-HE03, no less, with this mark of Whizzer at the side. Here you can see how the earphones are constructed. They use a 10mm beryllium dynamic driver with 107 decibel SPL and 98 decibel sensitivity and 60 ohm of impedance. The frequency response is between 12 Hz and 40. It comes with an angled, as you can see here, 3.5mm with 2-pin stainless steel. The cable length is 1.2 meters. Wire material is 5N SPC. It weighs about 4 grams. And let's do the unboxing. If you are searching for a pair of good earphones, the company makes very good. So we're gonna see now in their quality too. So it says here class stereo headphones. The design specification changed without any problem. Made in China. HE03. Here for holding it. So it's Kylin A-HE03, 10mm, as I told you, it's the driver. Nice package. At least it gives a luxurious look of the package. So here they are, Kylin A-HE03 with a pin number. Its design is unique. Under here must be some kind of manual. Let's see what's inside it. So it's a manual in English and Chinese from what I see here, and the service card, warranty card. Let's put it inside again. Here are the earphones. Have a nice blue metallic look. The earphones are metallic. Very good design with the logo that stands out, as you can see here. 2-pin. This is here to connect the rubber, left, right, with a detachable cable. Here it is. Red, there is no blue. Well, the red goes to the right, RR. Let's connect it, not that you don't know, but still. And the other one goes to the blue, like that. Now they're connected with a knotted cable as usual, and here it says, if you can see, Kylin. Nice design, very luxurious. And here we have a leather pouch. And it is this. Oh, so here are the rubbers that you can choose depending the size of your ear hole. And here, black and blue. Very nice package, very luxurious for a pair of earphones. Very nice. So this, and it doesn't have anything else inside it. This is with a gold plated 5N OFC plus SPC is the material, as I told you before. So I have connected to my mobile and I have tested them in order to see their quality. It's a little bit difficult to show it over YouTube video how good they are. They use, as I told you, one dynamic driver and tool balance armatures earphones. It's equipped with a hybrid TWFK317 driver for supreme mid and high performance. It has an improved construction, retaining the magnesium housing but with smaller dimensions from what others versions before had. 2-pin cable, right, red, left, doesn't have color, usually it has a blue dot. Now from what I have seen, it has very good quality of sound, especially in the low and mid, very good with the treble, very good quality as usual. It has a very luxurious, and at the unpacking and when using the earphones, very good construction. Here it depends on the ear, it stands very well. I'm gonna show you in the video later how it stands. It stands very good, you won't lose it. So I would like to recommend them as professional version of good earphones with good specs for someone who is searching for a good quality earphones of good material to hear at a superb quality audio. This is Matt Doctor for iGeekPhone and iTechNews.gr. Bye. From what you see, the earphones are placed well on my ear. It doesn't leave. You won't lose them. It gets inside the ear very good. If you wear both earphones, you won't hear any noise from the outside. So it's placed very good.